Are you posting on social media but nobody's actually buying your products? Give me 5 minutes and I show you exactly how to speak to those people who have their credit cards ready and actually want to buy your products. And if you want to get your hands on 32 templates and real life examples that I put together for my students that are perfect for attracting and converting your audience into recurring customers, then just drop me a line below and I send that to you via DM. So my name is Nadine Steps, and for those who don't know me, I'm the founder of Arno Media, which is a social media marketing agency where I helped dozens of purpose-driven brands in the last couple of years to scale their visibility, grow their email lists, increase their sales, and all of that through organic social media content and very cheap $5 ads that are highly effective. So if you would like to add some sustainable growth, no BS silver bullet tactics or stupid trends to grow your brand, then in each of my videos, I'm going to show you exactly how to reach this for your own brand. But today, I'm going to show you how you can make very, very small changes to your content today in order to attract more of those people who have their credit cards on hand and actually want to invest in a solution, which in the best case scenario would just be yours. So, when you create your social media content, you actually have to be aware first of the fact that not everybody in your audience is in a stage of buying. There are a lot of people in your audience who have actually not even an idea that they have a problem and need a solution, nor that they actually know you. Then there are people who have a problem and they are kind of in a scanner mode, looking for a solution, looking for a product, but they don't know your brand. And then there are those people who actually know your brand, they know they need a solution, they know you have one, and they are comparing products between you and your competitors. And typically, the last one of these three buckets is the people that we call low-hanging fruits, because to be honest, they know you already, they are in pain, they know you have a product, and they just need a little bit more convincing. But at the same time, these people, even though they are low-hanging fruits, they are, as I was just saying, comparing brands, comparing products. So you are in direct competition with all of your competitors, which makes it kind of hard to get to these people. So in order to convince them or help them make a decision if you are the right choice for them or not, you have to get in front of them all the time actually and give them reasons why you are the best choice for them. And we can do this with a variety of different posts on social media, but there are a couple of ways that I actually prefer that are the easiest. The content that we use for that is what we call nurture content. And this could be, for example, something that handles their objections. So if your potential customers have a specific objection which hinders them from buying your products, you just talk about that. For example, if you sell shoes and they look like they can break very easily, and this is an objection your audience has, you could make a piece of content that speaks about the longevity and why your material is so high quality that it probably will never break. Or you could post a testimonial where someone is actually speaking about exactly that fact. This is what you could do. What you could also do is creating lifestyle content. Lifestyle content in order to show your potential customers, those who are still on the fence, that people who already made the jump, who already purchased your product, that they live a very happy life, or that the situation that is the reason for them to buy a product is now very, very better, and that they love just working or living with your product. So this kind of lifestyle content in form of a video or in form of a video post. And you could also, that is then the third thing, the third type of content you can post is a direct promotion. But please be aware of the fact that when you just throw out a promotion or a discount code, this is not as effective as you might think. What you should do if you decide to go directly for a purchase, for a promotion, what you should do is always combine your reason for them to buy with a benefit. That means when you ask them to make a purchase, you should combine that with why they should do that now. For example, when you just have new stock, you could say, we just have new stock in, so now would be the best opportunity to go ahead and purchase this pair of shoes because we have just still all sizes, all colors, or all whatever you have in stock. So now just go ahead and go purchase. So if you combine that with each other, it's just way, way more powerful. So that would be 3 versions of content, 3 types of content you could use in order to transform the part of your audience that is still on the fence into customers. There are always a lot of people in your audience who are on the fence. So that is the reason why it is very important for you to include this type of content regularly into your schedule. And if you would like to see a couple of real life examples for how that could actually look like, what you could say in your caption, how the videos or posts, the images could look like in order to make that stand out or perfect or suitable for your brand, just drop me a line below this video and I send that over to you ASAP.